Hey, welcome to 1307 Whispering Drive here in the town of Vulcan. Now this property, it's a bungalow, 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath bungalow. It's located on the part of the Whispering Greens Homeowner Association. Backs onto the back 9 at the Vulcan Golf Course. This property was built in 2006 and is about 1,295 square feet in size. So we'll take you through. First we have the den. Normally I'd start outside, but it's a little breezy today, so we'll just start inside. Nice little den area. Be used as sewing room, office area, whatever works for you. Hardwood floors, and there's ceramic tile in the entrance. There's a nice open area. There's the dining room, kitchen with granite countertops. There's a walk-in pantry. This comes with the microwave hood fan, the stove, built-in dishwasher, and the fridge. Now, these are the original owners of the property. Been very well taken care of. One of the neat features I like is the 3-sided natural gas fireplace here going into the living room. And off the living room is the deck. It is screened in to keep those pesky little bugs away from you in the summer. Here's the fairway to, I believe, the 17th green. On a clear day, you can see the mountains to the west. Beautiful area to watch the sun go down and watch the golfers go by. Head back inside. We come to the master bedroom. Master bedroom's got a nice big window looking out to the west. Once again, we could see the Rocky Mountains. There's a walk-in closet here and full ensuite with jetted tub. Once again, granite countertops, and a separate shower. And back out into the main living area. And through the dining room. And there's the entrance to the garage. So coming in off the garage, it's a attached double car garage. You've got the laundry room. And look at this, you don't see this in the newer houses. The ironing board, built-in ironing board. I think that's kind of cool. There's the attached inside of the attached garage. So once again, the laundry room comes with washer and dryer and little two-piece bathroom. Once again, granite countertops. Very handy coming in from working on the car or just coming in from around to golf. Now we'll take you downstairs. See, the stairs are carpeted. Carpet down here. This is in-floor heating in the basement. Should have mentioned forced air on the main level, and there's central air conditioning. Now, coming down here, there's kind of a neat little sitting area. And then coming through, if you like to entertain, you're gonna love this. So you got a wet bar here. Nice little seating area for folks. And then you've got the huge family room down here. Another natural gas fireplace. And room for the built-in, well, not built-in, but TV is just the right size for that shelves there. Now, what are those house coats doing there? Well, I'll tell you. Out back, there's a hot tub, and the hot tub is included in the sale. So this is the lower deck. See, it's a windy fall day today. So no neighbors but the golfers off the back. Once again, coming in from outside, I like the ceramic tile here. Much easier to clean than the carpet, so you got time to wipe off your feet, your shoes, and come on in. And in the basement here, we've got the second bedroom. Once again, nice big windows. It's like you're not even in a basement. Got so much light coming in here. And a full bathroom down here with a nice deep, I believe about 6 feet long soaker tub. And a nice little room here for when you're getting all prettied up in the morning. And then there's the utility room. Nice handy little sink here. Of course, the sump pump, boiler, and your furnace and hot water tank. Central vac system. Now, like I say, these are the original owners. They had the house built very nicely taken care of. So just to review, this house was built in 2006. It's about 1,295 square feet in size. Taxes, this for 2020 were about 3,293. I don't have my glasses on. Actually, I think they're 3,973. I'd have to confirm that. So if you have any questions about this property, such as the taxes or anything else, please visit us on our website at www.magnusonrealty.com or give us a call at 403-485-6901. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.